Good morning. I am just going to show you a very quick video on a terrific kitchen gadget that I have. I use one at home and I bought one for our Avion. It is a rollable, collapsible dish drying rack. And what I found fabulous is that not only is it used for that, but also like when I'm cooking and things in the morning, it creates a whole nother extra little bit of workspace for me to set the plates on to prep or things like that. And then when I'm all done, it just completely rolls up and fits right inside my sink. Now granted, I have a very large sink here, which is fabulous, but I can use this either here, or what I tend to do is I tend to fold it in half and I put it in my bar sink, which is right next door, and that's really becomes kind of my dish drying area, so I don't have to have another dish rack. The other thing that I like about this is it is movable, flexible, and when I am doing plates and things like that, I can actually stand these right up in here and then drain like that. I have my little silverware catch too, but you can certainly lay silverware across-wise. Again, if I don't need to use it all, I just fold that back. Still creates a space to put things on for drying and things like that. And then I can still get into my silverware rack as well. So this is just a little quick video. I will put a link. I have a link actually to this on our blog, which is thepewterpalace.com, under our resources and links page, and it's very affordable.